So we're getting ready to make some fresh juice. So we just cleaned our countertops, our juicer, and our fruits and vegetables with our hypochlorous acid, which is hydrogen water and simple table salt. You can squirt it in your mouth because it's just salt. Anyway, so everything's clean, everything's disinfected, and we are gonna get ready to go. And I have a little helper today who I'm gonna introduce you to. Hey, Jess! All right, come on over.
That feature isn't available right now.
And Google is helping us too. Okay, so we have everything chopped and ready to go. We're gonna pull this over. Actually, here, you take the phone for a second.
So guys, my mom's pushing like just the thing over there.
All right. Ah, we lost the carrot.
I got this one
Runaway
carrot.
carrot.
See, carrot. So runaway carrot.
Okay, so let's turn us on. Okay, it's on. No. It's already messing things up. Okie dokie. So let's start with our carrots. Okay, ready? And this is a cold press juicer. We're gonna just simply do one of each for right now. Then we'll bring you back at the end. But you don't want to sit and watch us. Ooh, the fresh carrot juice and the cold. Absolutely love this juicer. Not mega. All right, we're gonna use
The
2 pieces of celery.
Okay, we have to get that
So we're
down.
still pushing. Get in there! Push. Gotta put a little muscle in it.
Good, we're good. Chill, Mom.
All right. Almost broke it. All right, throw both of those bad boys in there.
Celery make juice?
Celery. We still have the celery and the carrot coming out. All right, we're gonna throw a little apple in there. Oh, this reminds me of Willy Wonka. You get stuck in the tube. Okay, so now we have apple, carrot, and celery. Let's throw,
Ooh, lemon.
throw some beets. Got yellow beets.
Can I push it down?
All right, there we go. Lemon. It's lemon. Lemon. All right, we're
Oh, Mom,
gonna do
do not look, guys. Look at what's coming out.
big tomato. Yeah, see all the pulp pushes out there. All right.
Potato. Potato almost get destroyed.
Okay. And then we're gonna put a nice handful of power greens.
You're gonna have to push these down, guys.
Yeah.
These guys are hard and they like to book.
The bush.
Oh, I got it max.
Oh, not my finger there. All right. And guys, your armpits stink. Here, see, you can even use the hypochlorous acid as deodorant.
No!
It's crazy. All right.
Mom.
Anyway, we're gonna go do the rest of this, and then we'll come back, because otherwise you'll be sitting here way too long. Peace out. All right, so everything is juiced. As you can see, what are you doing?
The juice is right here.
And as you can see, the big bowl of pulp left over from the cold press juicer. Now, the greens are a little bit difficult in the juicer. So what we did is we put it in our Vitamix. We did water and power greens. And I'm gonna put in a teaspoon of graviola powder and a teaspoon of moringa powder. Sorry, just opening these for the first time. Then we're gonna give it 1 minute more blend.
And then we're all gonna put it back in the juice, and I'm gonna taste it.
What?
And rate it 10.
All right,
I don't
ready?
know.
Hold your ears.
guys can see, you guys can definitely hear the blender. So, guys, so this is my mom.
They can't
Just so you
see
know.
us.
Yes, they can. But just so you guys know, me and my mom have lots of all that juice in there. And now my mom is gonna fill it up.
Add the two.
And you guys see, let me just show them inside. You guys see all that? Doesn't that look good?
Okay.
And now my mom's pouring it in for me. See, my mom's pouring it in for me.
Drink it a little bit. All right. Here we go, Cassie. Whoa! And that juice is approved by Versatility. 9 years old. Let Cass try it. Try it again. Let's see if you still have a good face. All right. Well, thank you for joining our juicing session. And we will talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.